Here we have a Samsung M.2 SSD drive that came in for repair. I'm just reading what the customer wrote. I have an SSD M.2 Samsung. I removed it to replace a second disk, but I think this one was damaged and now I can't access it. I tried to put it in a different PC, also USB box, but it's not recognized. I have some recent data with no backup. I really need to get the backup. All right, so customer chose expedited service. He's paying $49 more for expedited service, and he really needs the information. The SSD drive, M.2 drive, looks something like this. We're gonna take a look at the board and see what's going on, if we can figure it out. Right now, I did not even move the drive, and I can already see what the problem is. I just put it one shot under the microscope. I have not moved it, and I can already tell what the problem is. Let's see if you can see it. You should be able to spot the problem. It's very visible. We have a torn filter. We have a missing component. Notice how we have filters here. 1, 2, 3, but this one is missing. So it looks like when the drive was removed, this component was knocked off, and that's a filter. Very, very important. A filter will complete the circuit. If you don't have it, then the circuit breaks. We're not able to get from here to here, or from here to here. Let's look at the rest of the drive and see if there's anything else obvious. I mean, we only have a few components on the sides. And we have the controller chip and the NAND chips. Let's add some Flux. And where are we going to get that filter from? I have a feeling that the filter is the same one used on the Nintendo Switch. And even if the value differs, it will still work because the filter will complete the circuit. More like a fuse. If the fuse broke, then the circuit breaks open. And if the fuse is good, the circuit is closed. And I need to turn my fume extractor on. And let's grab a Nintendo Switch motherboard. And I'm almost certain the filters are the same size. Right here. You can tell I already used 3 filters from this board. Is it the same one? Yes. Yes. Awesome. Awesome. And the job is done. We're done. And now we're going to have to test to make sure the circuit is continuous. Meter in continuity mode. And we're going to measure from here. See that line? It goes here, and it should be continuous to right here. And that's awesome. We're gonna do the one next to it. From here, just follow the line all the way up and all the way up. Okay? Not continuous with this, but with this. Amazing. Done. I'm sorry for the short video. What can I do? What can I do? Next time I'll try to make it longer, but I'm gonna have to try this SSD drive on a laptop, and I'll be back to show you if the drive is working or not. Good news. We installed the hard drive in a laptop of ours, and if you look here, let me see if I can zoom in. We replaced the first filter on the left. You see how we have 4 filters? And that's the one that we got off the Nintendo Switch. And now, if we zoom out, laptop is working. The hard drive is working, not the laptop. The hard drive is fixed. All right, that's it for this video. I hope you enjoyed it. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Leave a comment if you have any questions, and we'll do something else in the next video. It's time for Big Boss to have his tea and breakfast. Enjoy, and we'll see you again in the next video.